and let's start. So first move we're going to do in the warm up is the triangle. This is a very basic move and the foundation move for any skill that you do on the field. So triangle is simple. You have to do tick in, front, catch, drag back. Okay, very simple. Ready? Each move do for 30 seconds. Okay, so ready? Let's go. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1. Okay, and stop. Right. So, like you said, okay, you start with the ball, the warm up. So, what kind of a warm up you do?
सर हमेशा जगल से स्टार्ट करता हूँ एरियल बॉल के साथ में स्टार्ट करता हूँ हमेशा अपना
Okay.
लाइक मैं जगल से स्टार्ट करना चाहता हूँ
Okay, can you show?
दिस इज माय बॉल
Okay, well, I think these are very simple juggling. I thought he's going to do some kind of freestyle. So, right. So now we can start. I think it's a simple juggling. We can do with thighs, any part.
we can use high and
Okay.
shoulder also
Right. So 30 seconds. Let's go. Juggle. Okay, and stop. Right. So I think that's a good one. So next, the next move is we call slide to slide. Okay, is another foundation move. We call it ball mastery. Okay, these moves. So what you have to do is start from one side, sole on top of the ball, and you go like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 side to side. Okay, great. Are we ready? And let's start. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, right. That's good one. Okay. So now I think we warm up. Our muscles are getting warm. He's not looking out of breath. I'm the old one, so I'm out of breath. Okay. So last one is basically the move come from the Brazil, and as I know, there are a lot of freestylers in this world who are from Brazil. Okay, they like to do the freestyle and all these ball mastery moves when they play the game. So the next move is samba move. Okay, hope you have heard this. So I'll show you what to do. So every time you tap, you tap, you tap, you tap, and tap. Okay, it's a combination of move. So I will do fast like this. Okay, got it?
yes sir
Right. So we go for 30 seconds. Again, ready? And let's go. And I'm tired. I think I'm gonna die after this session. Doing after a very long time. So I hope you guys are working along with us because there are a lot of so many freestyle moves coming. So stay tuned, and we're going to take some break because I'm out of breath. So let's have some water. Right, but one question: do you know who started the freestyle?
yes I know
Okay, but I think this is better. These guys answer. Okay, but let me tell you, the guy is none other than the Diego Maradona. he didn't start the freestyle. He used to use the freestyle moves, these moves, juggling and all in his warm-up routine. But the guy who expanded this as a professional sport was his name was Woo Hee-young. He was from the Korea and he played 6 years in the Bundesliga as a professional football, and after that he chose this as a full-time sport, as a professional sport, the freestyle. Okay, so this is I hope you also know about this.
Yes.
So as everybody know about the Diego Maradona, he was one of the best dribbler. Okay, and so in coming moments we're going to talk about some of the skills. So if you guys have, if you want to know any skill from Vikram, from me, just post in the comment box of our Insta page or the BBFS page, BBFS FB page, and we try to get it at the end, okay, and try to show you those moves. Okay, so now we're going to come on the next part. I'm very excited about this because I'm going to learn some of the moves from you, and I hope these guys are also excited. So let me drink first. Right. So I'm trying this move since I was young. Okay, and I used to practice every day, but till now I didn't get it how to do it. So it's called around the world. Okay, so from his smile, it look very easy. I think it's a very easy skill for him. So can you show the around the world? Oh my God! So for him it's very easy, and if I no, it's not still very easy. So I hope you also want to learn how to do the around the world.
You can do it. Need only practice. Practice make perfect.
Exactly. So we're going to share. Vikram going to share some of his experience. So after this skill, we'll talk about this. So let's learn the around the world first.
Okay.
So let's see. I'm the very beginner guy. Okay, I don't know anything, and there are a lot of beginner kids who want to know what is the very basic of this skill. How we do it.
ओके सो स्टेप 1 जो इसका है वो है कि आपको बॉल फुट स्टोर करना है, ठीक है। बॉल आपका ऐसे रहेगा, ऐसे स्टोर करना है आपको, ठीक है। देन आपको स्पिन करना है, ठीक है। आपको बॉल रख के स्पिन, यू नीड टू ट्राई स्पिन। जो फर्स्ट स्टेप है स्पिन, अगर लैंड नहीं भी हो रहा कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। पहला जो आपका स्टेप आपको स्पिन करना है बॉल को।
So this is the first step.
Yes.
So can I try?
यस
So I think I did so many times like this.
यस
So is it fine? Okay.
बस
Right.
थोड़ा आपका थोड़ा और अराउंड हो गया है, बस थोड़ा
So I have to go more around.
लाइक दिस।
More around.
Yeah.
Okay. So try one more time. No, it's not spinning, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You need practice.
Alright.
Yeah.
I need practice. Lot of practice and lot of repetition. Nothing is possible without practice. Okay. So once I've learned this,
Yeah.
so I think there are a lot of players and players better than me. So what is the next step after this?
अब आपको बॉल बाउंस करके स्पिन करना है, ठीक है। सेम स्पिन करना है, बॉल को बाउंस करना है, देन स्पिन।
Okay. So if I rewind the whole thing,
Yeah.
okay, and if I try to break in our way the whole skill, so the BBF way of breaking the skill is basically how you approach the skill. Okay, the second part is basically the point of contact on the foot and the ball, and the third part is the execution part. Okay, so we're going to break this one. So the approach is always you have to stay behind the ball. Okay, then second approach is you can do like this. Okay, or you can do with the juggling on the bouncing ball. Okay, this is a way of approaching. Then the second part is the point of contact. So where you going to contact the ball?
Yeah.
So first one is from where we have to hit.
We have to use this part.
Okay, so if you see clearly, so this is the outside of your toe. Okay, or you can say the outside foot. So this part, and where we actually hit on the ball.
साइड में नियर साइड में बॉल हिट करना है, ठीक है।
Okay.
सेंटर में नहीं करना है।
Okay, so we're not going to, so this is the bottom, we're not going to hit the ball at the bottom, we're going to hit the ball at off center. So it can spin like this, right?
Yes.
Okay, So right. So I think now I got it. How I can do it. So if I stall the ball like this and
good. Yes.
I learned
Exactly.
it. Just took 5-10 seconds, I think. And if I do it on the bouncing ball, okay. So this is a bouncing ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh,
Exactly.
that's a good one. So like I took 20 seconds, and let's see how many seconds you're going to take to do this skill. So if you learn it better, so post it on our pages and let's see. I'm also going to post all the skill I'm going to learn from Vikram. So there we can compete each other. Let's see who posts first. Okay. So this is the one.
ओके सर
I think-
आपने मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछा है मैं भी आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ
Okay, great.
बच्चे मुझसे बार बार पूछते हैं कि सर रोनाल्डो चौक का ग्राउंड में कहाँ पे होता है सो कैन यू टेल मी
Ronaldo job. I think it's a lottery for all the Ronaldo fans, and obviously I can tell you where we can use this and how to do it. So, like as you all know, Ronaldo is the fastest player in dribbling. Okay, and he used to do this skill when he used to play on the wing side. And this is a skill which is very effective on the wing side. So I'm going to use you as a defender. Okay, so we go diagonal. Okay, from it. This ball is it. Now the best way of doing this is first if you are on the wing side, okay, or you are on the horizontal side of your goal. Okay, so how I have to do it? You go at fast pace. Okay, so I will go fast pace. But now as soon as the defender move ahead of me or diagonal to the shoulder, so what I am going to do is I am going to chop the ball behind him and then I go in front of the goal. Okay, so this is a change of direction movement in the game. Now how are we going to do? We come again. Now we're going to break this skill again in the 3 part. Okay, now approach is the sideways. Okay, and you have to defend the ball from the defender, keep it on the opposite foot. So now we go touch, touch. As soon as the go, now we stop here. As soon as the defender moves, we need to do a small chop. Okay, and so we go chop from the inside of the court, and we're going to hit the this part of the ball, basically the nose part. Okay, from the inside. The last part is the execution. Okay, so when you move in this, after beating the defender, you have to go fast. Now, how are you going to do fast? Because you are on this foot, okay, and you're balancing. So, to go fast, you have to plant this foot in the direction where the ball is going. Okay, so I'll show you. So I'll go like this, and then this foot in the direction. So we do it fast way now. Okay, so we go touch, and go direction there, and then you move. Okay, so this is the Ronaldo chop, very easy. And just to practice right now, I can give you one drill. This is what you can do. So this foot diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can turn 1, 2, just jump 3, 4, and then go. You can practice this at home every day.
थैंक यू सर
Yes. Now it's my turn. Okay. So another move I want to learn from you is basically. Okay. But before we move, I think it's better we talk about your experience. Okay. When did you start this freestyle and who inspired you for this? I think all the kids, all the players want to know this. So it's better we come close and talk.
मैंने फुटबॉल फ्री स्टाइल 2018 में मई में शुरू किया था एंड 2012 में मेरा एक 20 बच्चों में सिलेक्शन हुआ था तो डैन मैग्रेस नाम के फ्री स्टाइलर हैं वो दिल्ली में आए थे त्यागराज स्टेडियम में तो उनको जब मैंने अपने सामने फ्री स्टाइल करते हुए देखा तो मेरे लिए मिरेकल था कि क्या हो रहा है सो उस दिन उन्होंने मेरे को इंस्पायर किया था लेकिन मैंने उस टाइम इसको कंटिन्यू नहीं किया क्योंकि उस टाइम मैं प्लेइंग करता था फुटबॉल खेलता था लेकिन मैंने 2018 में बिकॉज मेरे को लग रहा था कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ फुटबॉल में मेरा एज वगैरह निकल गया था तो मैंने कहा मैं फुटबॉल तो छोड़ नहीं सकता मैं फ्री स्टाइल शुरू करता हूँ और मेरे दोस्त भी मेरे को कहते थे कि तेरा कंट्रोल वगैरह अच्छा है तो तेरे को फ्री स्टाइल करना चाहिए सो वहाँ से मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट होती फ्री स्टाइल
Okay, so I think it's a very inspiring story, and to start something new in football, you always need a role model or someone who can actually inspire you. So I hope you all have some like Messi, Ronaldo to make you learn their moves. So that's why I'm also here. So in the past I didn't learn, and today is my chance to learn from it. And okay, so next one I'm going to ask is how to do the next turn. Because when I do it, I tried so many times, like doing this. When I do this, like I go and ball always either come from this side, come from that side. So I want to learn from you how to do that.
ओके सो पहले बताना चाहता हूँ नेक्स्ट टर्न होता है क्या
Okay.
इट्स कॉल्ड
Oh my God. So
इट्स कॉल्ड नेक्स्ट
all the moves is looking like कि ये बचपन से कर रहा है. So मेरे को लगता है झूठ बोल रहा है कि 2018 में इसने किया. But I think all these moves I have tried it, but I couldn't. So maybe I didn't do it in a hard way, and he did in a hard way. So behind the every success of the technique is the repetition and the dedication. So yeah.
सो पहला जो चीज़ है मेन चीज़ जो है बॉडी पोस्चर अगर हमारी बॉडी ऐसी होगी तो बॉल कभी नहीं रुकेगी तो हमारी बॉडी पोस्चर जो है बिल्कुल चेस्ट थोड़ी बाहर होगी
So this is going to be 90 degree, right?
Yes.
And there is a curve by this. Okay, you have to pop out your shoulder and these elbows above your this level. Okay.
अगर मेरा हाथ यूं होंगे तो बॉल नीचे गिरेगी तो इसलिए मेरे को हाथ को उसको पूरा ऊपर लेके जाना है एल्बो को मोड़ना है ठीक है देन मेरा नेक स्ट्रेट होगा नेक एंड बगल
Okay. So this need to be straight.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
ओके
Now.
सर
Okay. So. And the ball.
करेक्ट बॉडी पोस्चर है ठीक है अगर मेरा नेक यूं होगा तो बॉल साइड से गिरेगा
So I think this is the mistake I was doing till now. So I can correct now.
and your knee should be bent
Okay.
little bend
For what?
अगर क्योंकि अगर मैं बोल पे ऐसे बैठ रहा हूँ अगर नी बैंड नहीं है सॉरी अगर मेरा नी अगर नी थोड़ा सा बैंड नहीं है तो बॉल गिरेगा ठीक है
Okay. So bounce and
बाउंस करेगा और बॉल गिर जाएगा
So can I try?
या यू कैन
Okay, so you can come and see me what I'm doing wrong. So first you can correct my posture. So I'll try to see, and you hope you guys are also doing with me. So if you look at my posture, it's good
चेस्ट थोड़ा सा बाहर
like this.
या भाई थोड़ा पीछे ऊपर
Okay.
नेक ऊपर थोड़ा हाथ ऐसे गुड चेस्ट लिटिल बिट डाउन गुड
Okay. So this is the posture I think. And then ball.
थोड़ा हाथों को थोड़ा और पास कर लें थोड़ा सा
Like this.
हेड अप गुड
Okay.
नी या गुड
Now is better.
यस
So okay, so this is about the posture. Okay, this is the approach of doing this. Okay, now how far, like, so how we going to start from the basic with the ball of
सो अभी
we have to throw.
क्योंकि बिगिनर स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो बॉल को ज़्यादा हाइट नहीं देना है ठीक है बॉल मैक्सिमम 1 फुट ठीक है इतना हाइट देना है इजीली कैच करोगे आप अगर बॉल को थोड़ा
So it should be at least like one foot, right?
Yes.
And सर के पीछे या सर के आगे?
इसके
In front of your eyes. So when you're throwing the ball, I think so you have to throw here, so you can go under the ball, right? है ना? तो बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं सर के ऊपर फेंकते हैं and पीछे तो बॉल कहाँ पे जाके लगता है सीधा पीठ पे.
वो फिर गिर जाता है बॉल इसमें
Exactly. So can I try?
यस यू कैन
Okay. So I'm going to try. So God bless me. Oh.
अभी
I think I made same
यस
mistake.
चेस्ट थोड़ा बाहर यस
Okay. So
नो
so
अभी पैरल
ball front.
नो
Now again.
नीड प्रैक्टिस
Oh my God. So I'm sure you guys are also failing. So I'm not going to stop until I do it. So I'm a quick learner, but not doing properly.
अभी बॉल यहाँ पे लग रहा है आपका बॉल है यहाँ पे आना चाहिए अभी बॉल क्या है यहाँ पे लग रहा है इसलिए भाग रहे हैं
Okay, I have to come down more.
डाउन एंड बॉल जो है सीधा यहाँ पे आएगा
Okay, right. Taking my cap. So now
प्रैक्टिस
again. So last one.
नो
Again last
एंड
one.
सेम बॉडी पैरल
So I am going to practice this home, and once I complete, I am going to put my video on the page, and I am going to challenge you. So last one more. Oh, just miss. Okay, that's good. So thank you. So again, if we divide the approach part, right? So approach is simple. You have to throw the ball in front of you. Okay, it should be a 1 foot above your head and in front of the head. And as the ball goes down, you have to come like this.
लाइन में आना थोड़ा बॉल
Yes. You have to come in line of the ball. Ball should come over your shoulder, and then 90 degree, right? Hands above your and shoulder pull out. from and chest out like this to shape it and knees back. Okay, that's good. I'm definitely going to try. So मेरी कैप बीच में आ गई actually. Just for the excuse.
सर बच्चे एक और क्वेश्चन मतलब मुझसे कई बार पूछते रहते हैं कि ये इनिएस्टा मूव कैसे होता है कई बार बच्चे ग्राउंड में पूछ चुके हैं मेरे से मैं बता नहीं पाया कैन टेल
Okay, so Iniesta is my favorite player because when I used to play attacking midfielder, and he was the best attacking midfielder I know. Okay, and there was a move I used to copy, and there are a lot of players used to copy this move. Okay, so Iniesta move is simple, is a progression of TikTok. We do it like we do this, right? So this is the foundation skill of the Iniesta move. Now the Iniesta move is, can you come in? Yes. So the Iniesta move is simple. So when the defender approaches, you go and then he moves out with the ball. Simple. Just 1, 2, and then gone. But there is a trick behind this, which I think not everyone know, because defender never comes straight to you because it's easy to defend because there is a space. So professional defender always come at one side. Okay, you try to either stop you like this or stop you like this. Okay, so the trick behind is when the defender approaches, he brings out one leg to defend. Okay, so the moment he brings out one leg, you try to beat him on that side, because once you go like this, he cannot come back with that foot and you're gone. By the time you turn this side or come this side. So if you're a beginner and you want to start, you can start with tic-tac move. Okay, and in the beginning we did triangle also, 1, 2, and then come 1, 2, and then. And if you want to practice at home, you can put one object in front of you. Okay, and then this is, you can go 1 and then turn, like you can go 1 and then turn. You can go like this and then turn. It's very simple. So can we do on the first phase as a defender? Okay, so and come and go. As soon as you move, it's gone. Okay, so you cannot turn back. So this is for Iniesta move. If you see that a lot of time, Messi also use it, because Messi fake it is go like this, turn, and then simple, very simple move. Anyone can use it, even the beginner can use it to beat the players. Okay, so all right. Next, I want to ask you about this. So, how many hours you practice these moves?
Daily morning में 1 घंटा practice.
Okay, only 1 hour. Oh, I thought like you have to do. You're doing like 5 to 6 hours of practice, because I used to do it, but now I was doing the wrong way. So hope you guys are getting the right way of doing it. But 1 hour, why 1 hour? 1 घंटा क्यों?
क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा अगर करेंगे तो एनर्जी चला जाता है, उतना फिर स्ट्रेंथ बचती नहीं है, तो 1 घंटा मुझे लगता है कि अभी मेरे से इतना ही हुआ है.
So I think this is the one reason I was doing more and more, and when I got into the fatigue.
सेकंड रीजन यही, उसके बाद फिर बोर्डम फील होने लग जाता है. बोर.
So these two can be my reason. Okay, when I used to overdo, I got into the fatigue, and then I couldn't do any skill, and after some time I got bored. So हो सकता है कि शायद इसलिए मैं improve नहीं कर पाया अपनी skills. So 1 hour is, I think you have to do very effectively. So 1 hour when you're training, you have to take one skill, right?
Yes.
एक skill पे?
एक या 2 स्किल.
एक या 2 skill, you have to think that today I'm going to work on this skill. Just spend 20-30 minutes on one, mastering that skill. Okay, and then 20-30 minutes on another skill.
Yes.
Right? Okay, great. So can we have some water? The 2 I learned today. Okay, so there is one more move. I think is a difficult one for everyone, and that move is basically called the head stall. Okay,
Yes.
so again he is smiling because I think it's very easy for him to do the head stall, and I want to say, and he was doing in the beginning. So I'm sure you do freestyle, so you have different like this, go around this. Can you show those head moves around like that? Okay, and then we just simply go, oh my god. See, so I cannot keep the ball straight and he's keeping the ball on these sides. So just I want to know the simple one only, how to keep it here, not that one. That's a difficult one.
So I want to show what is head stop.
Yeah. Oof. See, told you, ये झूठ बोल रहा है, ये बचपन से practice कर रहा है इसका. Okay, so very simple. Let's come in, cut down, rewind, and cut down the scale. How to do it? Okay.
So step 1, इसमें हम बॉल कहाँ पे रखते हैं ये इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है. कई लोग यहाँ पे बॉल रखते हैं इसलिए सीखने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, उनको पता ही नहीं कहाँ पे बॉल रखना होता है.
Okay.
स्टेप 1, बॉल यहाँ पे रखना है.
So जहाँ पे बाल start
Yes,
होता है, right?
हाँ, आप
Okay.
यहाँ पे स्टेप 1 है. Okay.
So I think we should come a bit close and then show in this way कि where you have to keep the ball because दूर से शायद.
अपर साइड है, फोरहेड का अपर साइड है, यहाँ पे भी बॉल रखना है.
Okay, so this is, and if you come like this, so this is where you have to keep the ball, right?
Yes.
Okay.
स्टेप 2, अब बॉल को रख के हाथ छोड़ देना है एंड ट्राई टू बैलेंस.
That's the difficult part of this skill actually.
एंड अगर दोनों चीज आपने सीख ली, स्टेप 1 और स्टेप 2 आपको क्लियर है, तो स्टेप 3 में क्या है कि आपको बॉल रख के जिधर जिधर बॉल मूव कर रहा है उधर उधर बॉडी और हेड को मूव करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल राइट में बॉल जा रहा है तो राइट में आना है, लेफ्ट में जा रहा है तो लेफ्ट में, अगर बैक में आ रहा है तो बैक में, अगर फ्रंट में आ रहा है तो पूरा फ्रंट में आना है. मतलब बॉडी और हेड को बॉडी बॉल के लाइन में रखना है.
Now I can see what mistake I was doing. So I'll show you what I used to do. So I keep the ball like this. Okay, if ball is going like this, I just used to move my head only, not my feet. So now I have done. If I have to keep the ball, so I have to move my feet also, right?
Yes.
So like this. Still, I can't do it. Sorry. So I have to practice this hand.
ओके.
Okay.
इसको थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए, मतलब ताकि ये ना लगे बोर हो जाओ या फिर लग रहा है कि मैं सो ही ना, मैं छोड़ दूँ, तो इसको क्या करना है आपको, सिंपल फर्स्ट डे आप अगर कर रहे हो तो आपको रखना है एंड काउंट 1 2. अगर आप 2 कर पा रहे हो तो देन नेक्स्ट में करना है 1 2 3. 3 भी मास्टर कर लेते हो तो देन अगेन 1 2 3 4. काउंटिंग बढ़ाते जाना है आपको अपनी. ठीक है.
Okay, that's great. Let me try. So you said 1 and 2. Okay. 1, 2, and 3.
बॉल शुड
Okay.
Yes.
1, 2, and 3. No. 1, 2, and my cap is going. Okay. So maybe I'm wearing the cap. I have to take off my cap and then do it. So I'm definitely going to do this at home. Practice and
you
post
can
this.
practice. Everyone
Post
can
it.
practice make perfect.
Yes. So if you guys failing to do it, so don't think कि आप लोग नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Because failure is the key to success. So you have to do it again and again and again, but not that much कि आप बोर हो जाओ, उतना कि आप उसमें at least like for 5 times in one go you can do it. So that's a success, I think, right? Okay. So now like you said, this is head stop. So if we have to break, okay, this one, तो अगर किसी को एक तो ये हो गया कि 1 2 3 कौन का, अगर किसी ने ये कर लिया, like say कि 1 2 3, if he able to hold, so what is the next step? Can he
उसके बाद उसको बॉल को फेंकना है, फेंक के कंट्रोल कर.
how far कितना होगा?
इतना.
Okay, so
ज़्यादा मतलब बॉल इतना कि बस ये हेड पे आए.
okay, that's great. So इतना I think better.
ज़्यादा अगर हाइट हो तो जंप कर जाएगी.
Okay.
Like this.
Right, so you just have to try to stall the ball over this plane, है ना? इतना ऊंचा.
बस इतना ही हाइट करना कि बॉल मतलब हेड पे आ जाए सीधी ऐसे. उसको ज़्यादा नहीं, क्योंकि फिर जंप करेगा कंट्रोल नहीं होगा.
So this is the next step. So once you have done this, 1 2 3, so next step is you have to throw it and do it. And if you're able to do this, then the next step is you have to
footstool and yes.
See, so I can do the difficult one, but easy वाला नहीं होता मेरे से. So right, so this is the head stall, and that was a difficult one. Okay, now I hope कि आप लोगों ने भी इसको ट्राई किया होगा काफ़ी बार. फेल भी काफी बार हुए होंगे, but don't worry, okay, these are your moves. And if you join in between the session, so again I'm telling you, if you want to know your moves कि हम लोग उनको यहाँ पे करके दिखाएं या विक्रम उनको यहाँ पे करके दिखाएं, तो please post those moves in our FB page or the Instagram page. We are here, we try to do it at the end of the session. Okay, so yes, so next one.
सर एक क्वेश्चन मेरा भी है, मैं रोनाल्डो
Another, okay, another one.
मैं रोनाल्डो का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ सर।
Okay.
और एक स्किल है रोनाल्डो की, जिसको मैंने कई बार देखा ग्राउंड पे, रोनाल्डो इलास्टिको।
Oh.
सो अभी तक मेरे को आ नहीं पाई है, मैंने बहुत कोशिश करी है। कैन यू टीच मी?
So, like if I talk about elastico, I think पहले मैं दिखा देता हूँ elastico
Yes.
होता क्या है. Okay, so it's a very quick move. You have to be very quick on your toes. So it's simple, one and then go like this. So it's a very fast move. Okay, you have to be very smooth
मैंने
and
बहुत बार
very
ट्राई किया, मेरे से होता ही नहीं।
Okay, so there is a trick again. So in all the skills there are tricks. Okay, and if you know that technique and that trick, then it become very easy.
Yes.
Okay, but before we are going to this skill, I'm going to talk about who started this skill. It wasn't Ronaldinho. I have seen Ronaldinho when he was 10-year-old playing futsal. Okay, so he started doing these skills in the futsal. Okay, but the guy behind the skill was the Ferenc Puskas. Have you heard about Puskas Awards? So Puskas Award given to the guy who scored an amazing goal, I think in the World Cup, right? So the guy who scored the amazing goal in the World Cup, he gets the Puskas Award. So Ferenc Puskas invented this, and I don't know who invented before him and from where he learned. So this skill, the trick behind this is, and you can use this skill in front of the goal. It's a very easy because the way you go, okay, or on the wing side also. So again I am going to take you as a passive defender. Okay, so right now what we have to do is we try to take the defender on one side. So like I see space is there.
Yes.
Okay, I want to go into that space.
Okay.
Okay, and this side, so I come on that side. Okay, now from this foot, come this side. So from this foot, I use my laces part, the way you dribble. Okay, you use the 3 little toes. Okay, from this part, if I push the ball out, what will you do? Okay, either this foot or you try to bring that foot. Okay, so if I go there, then you try to bring any foot. So if I go like, and then I have to cut the ball immediately with my inside of the foot. So I'll go like that and then this way. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. So now we do in the
Can
fast
you
way.
show me flow?
Okay, yeah, flow. So we go to one and then, sorry, we didn't do it properly. So we go one, so one and then go end. Okay. So the trick behind is you have to use the laces part, okay, to push the ball out and then cut inside at the same time. So again, it's a very tricky move. You have to be technically good in doing this, and you need lot of practice when you do this. But it was my favorite move because I can go fast with this.
मेरा भी ऐसा इसलिए पूछा क्वेश्चन मैंने।
Okay, so this is simple, and you have to practice. Again, you can use one object at home, okay, and then like the approach. Okay, again, if we talk about dividing the skill, is approach is always sideways, facing the defender. Okay, and then you take the ball and then cut the ball like this. Okay, so try to avoid the ball or try to avoid the object in which you go, and then so like I said, you need lot of practice to work on this. Okay, one and then go like this. Okay, so I hope you learn now. Can you show me? Okay, right. So the sideways. Yes. Okay. Right. So like I said, you need practice in this. So push out. Okay. Now the mistake you are happening is, I think a lot of kids make the same mistake. So if you are doing with the left foot, so this part, okay, this, you go out and then in with this. So from the laces or the outside part, you go. Okay. So you can do it slow first. Out and then right. So I think it's a bit slippery for you, and out and then in. Yes. So you have to practice and do the repetition again and again and again for this exercise. But this is a very effective. If you've seen Rashford, he did this skill in one game. And if you see Ronaldo also, Louis Ronaldo, I'm talking about the Brazilian one, he used to use like with every defender in the game. So it's a very
I
effective.
can do this in ground.
Yeah, always. Yes, exactly. So if you are doing at home, just if you have a slippery surface, so please avoid it. Try to use them, or you can do it on the mat.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So these are the move that I have learned. So what I'm going to do with this move, I'll go home, I'll practice them, and I'll upload my video on the page, so where I can challenge you, and let's see how many days you guys take to complete these exercises. And today we have challenge, but at the end, and because all the moves that Vikram taught me, they already are challenges for you, so I didn't go bring any challenge in between. Okay, so Vikram, I want to know from you, who are the top freestyler that the kids can follow on the internet? They can watch them and
Yes.
learn.
So जो वर्ल्ड में भी सबसे ऊपर नंबर एक तो बोयका ओर्टिज नाम से हैं, बोयका ओर्टिज, अर्लैंड, हेनरिका डेनियो, ये तीनों भी वर्ल्ड में टॉप पे हैं। और जो मेरे फेवरेट हैं, जो इंडिया से ही हैं, एक पुनीत फ्री स्टाइल है, वो एमपी से हैं, वो मेरे फेवरेट हैं। ये 4 है मेरे फेवरेट।
So Puneet is the guy who went for the Red Bull competition
Yes.
from India.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have seen this guy because I have also like
मतलब फ्री
football.
स्टाइल की बहुत सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने मेरे को सिखाई, पर्सनली मैसेज के थ्रू भी उन्होंने मेरे को गाइड किया, और वो एक बहुत अच्छे फ्री स्टाइलर हैं, वो 3 बार इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर चुके हैं, रेड बुल 3 टाइम वो जीत चुके हैं।
So that's a great one. So I think you guys can also follow him and learn from him, and you can also follow Vikram. So you can also send messages how to do this. Okay, and then you can learn from him. Okay, right. So I think it's a pretty good. We have learned all the skill.
Yes.
Okay, so can we try some of the, so like again around the world? Can I try all the moves?
Yes.
Okay, so
If you can't, that will be practice.
exactly. Oh, so almost. So yes, so I think I need more practice on this, but I can do. Oh, see, I did it. Right now,
Almost done. Almost done.
next one is
Next one.
head stop.
Neck.
Next one.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Now again. I
You
need
need
practice.
practice.
Last one, I'm good. Head stop.
Almost
See?
done.
Almost?
Yes.
Okay, I will give another chance so I get confidence of doing this. No. Okay, so my session is done, and if you guys posted your moves, then we are ready to take those moves from you guys. So let's take a break. Okay. So by that time, we get the question and answer from everyone.
So while you are taking a water break, there is a question. What is the most basic freestyle skill to start from?
So first one is water break one.
Yeah.
Okay, so like these skills can be intensive because you are repeating so many times and you're moving here and there, and then there are some explosive moves that you're doing in the around the world.
बेसिक है जो कि हम लोगों ने बताई सारी बेसिक ही
Yeah.
अराउंड द वर्ल्ड ये बेसिक है
So these can be very intensive and explosive because when you're going like this, there's a lot of pressure you're taking on your hamstring, okay, your hip flexor side and the femur side, yeah, muscle, thigh muscles. Okay, so अगर वो fatigue में चले गए then obviously you cannot do it. So that's why you need a water break for that. And if you talk about the next drop, then you're back. So you're coming so many times is again explosive move. So you need to take rest, right?
Yes.
So if you do 3-4 times, then take rest, no problem. Start again. Okay. What was the next question?
So, question for Vikram. Vikram, what is the basic freestyle skill you started from while doing the freestyle?
मैंने अराउंड द वर्ल्ड से स्टार्ट किया था। जो भी तीनों स्किल दिखाई है सारी मेरे लिए बेसिक है और वैसे भी ये बेसिक स्किल है। सो मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था वो मैंने अराउंड द वर्ल्ड से स्टार्ट किया था, उसके बाद मैंने एडवांस के लिए एंट्री की।
Okay. So one more question from Abir to Vikram only. So he wanted to know that what is your favorite freestyle skill you have learned from your idol?
सो मेरा तो ये अराउंड द वर्ल्ड।
So can you show? So I think people
So
can
around the
see.
moon.
Around, I think it's not around. It's around the head. I think.
अराउंड द मून।
Okay, around the moon. Right. Oh my God. तो मुझे आई थिंक लगता है कि मैं बूढ़ा हो जाऊंगा इसको सीखते सीखते, तो बच्चे बड़े जवान हैं, लेकिन you guys can learn this one. Okay.
So one more question to Anup sir now.
Yeah.
So Michael, Michael wants to know that what kind of role these freestyle skills apply to the natural football game.
That's a brilliant question, actually. And I supposed to answer in the beginning, but I was expecting someone who can ask this. So that's a brilliant question. Now, there is a research done by the scouts around the world, and what they have found, like the technical skills are very very important on the ground moves. Okay, but the guy who can control the ball in the air is the one who likely to succeed in the professional football, actually, and that's the best because in the game there's balls stay in the air like most of the time. Like striker needs to deal with the aerial balls. When the cross is coming, you have to deal with the aerial balls. When the switch is going to happen, you have to deal with the aerial ball. So whatever position you are playing, you have to deal with the aerial ball. But if you're not good in the aerial control, then definitely you cannot receive the ball properly, right? So I'm not saying you have to become a freestyler for that. Freestyler is basically totally a different competition. But they are freestyler. Like if I talk about, you are living in a generation where they are not skillful players anymore. When I was a kid, so there were so many skillful players. If I talk about, there was Luis Ronaldo from Brazil. There was Ronaldinho. Okay, Figo, if you know about, is a Portugal player. Then Andre Nesta. If I talk about Robert, I've seen them on the you can go to the YouTube and search about them. It's called Joga Bonito, and one of my favorite is a Thierry Henry. He's a street guy, and if you look at his moves, then so you can see, and these are the players at this time are the legends, right? And I see them as a legend because today in the football world there is no one close to them actually. So that's why I say, if you, for example, I'll give you, if you know about, I don't know whether kids know about, and you know, have you heard about the Dennis Bergkamp? No. So Dennis Bergkamp was the one who can control the ball so easily in the air, even if he jumped 5 feet above the ground. So he was so good, and yeah, I've seen him the whole season when he used to play in the Arsenal.
So sir, Abir asked one more question as he seems very much interested. So Abir wants to know with this freestyle, there comes a question for five-a-side games as well.
Okay.
So can you just tell us the impact it plays in the five-a-side game and what is the future of five-a-side game in India?
So, like five-a-side game, we call it street game or we call it futsal if we talk about the professional world. Okay. So when there was no coaching or like these kind of professional setup, so people used to play on the street. Even if you go to the Brazil these days, there are a lot of kids you see they're playing outside the three-a-side, four-a-side, five-a-side, and we also used to play bags lagake. So that is called today in this professional setup is called small-sided games. So five-a-side is very intense game, okay, and there you can learn a lot of skills. You fail again and again because there is a lot of pressure on you. Defender can easily come close to you. So from there you have to think. Your mind starts not working continuously, how you going to beat it? The more time you fail, the more time you learn about the new skill. And the skill is something which is comes from your unconscious mind. Okay, how you going to beat them? But the easy way of practicing those skills are these ball mastery moves that we have done in the warm-up part. Okay, so now 5-a-side, when you're playing, there's a continuous ball movement, continuous pressing. Okay, and it is very intense game. So you need to understand, okay, in that pressure, what is the best decision you're going to take in very less time. So that's why we also as a coaches, we play 5-a-5 for finishing games close to the goal, because that's where the players like to train actually, and they like very much in our Valorant team, they want to play 5-a-side every time. So thank you. This I think hope answer all the questions.
Vikram, question to you, as you have been a football player too. So what kind of these skills help you to become more better footballer in the real field?
अभी तो मैंने फुटबॉल खेलना छोड़ दिया, अभी तो फुटबॉल खेलता नहीं हूँ. सो अभी तो मतलब इसी स्किल को ही सो अभी तो मैं नहीं कह पाऊँगा कि मेरे को कैसे फील्ड में.
ओके, तो आई थिंक जो आपका फील्ड है, तो हैव यू ट्राइड लाइक एनी प्रोफेशनल कंपटीशन? अभी तक किसी कंपटीशन में आप गए हो फ्री स्टाइल
कंपटीशन में अभी नहीं गया.
ओके, बट आई हैव सीन योर पोस्ट के यू आर ट्राइंग टू गो.
वो ऑनलाइन कंपटीशन था, वो कैसे ही हुआ था, मतलब वहाँ से वीडियो बना के मैं पोस्ट करना था. लेकिन मैं अभी फिजिकली किसी लाइव कंपटीशन में भी नहीं गया हूँ, जहाँ पे बैटल्स होते हैं वहाँ भी नहीं गया.
ओके,
प्लान था लेकिन वो लॉकडाउन की वजह से भी गया, वो एक्सटेंड हो गया, वो नेक्स्ट ईयर होगा.
तो क्या इंडिया में ऐसे कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं? आई थिंक मेरे को तो सिर्फ अभी एक पता है कि रेड बुल एक कराता है.
इस रेड बुल है गुड़गांव में, डीएफसी नाम से भी कंपटीशन होता है, लेकिन वो इस साल अभी नहीं हुआ है.
Okay, because of pandemic, coronavirus. Okay, so I love to watch freestyle, and definitely I am going to watch you also. And as like I always promise कि हमेशा एंड में एक हम लोग चैलेंज रखते हैं. तो आज विक्रम के साथ हम वो चैलेंज करने वाले हैं, और मैं वो चैलेंज कभी पहले किसी को नहीं बताता. तो एंड दैट चैलेंज इज फॉर यू आल्सो. ओके, सो मैं जो चैलेंज लेके आया हूं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फ्लिक चैलेंज. सो फ्लिक मींस कि व्हेन यू गो इन द एयर, तो नॉर्मली आप हाथ से बॉल नहीं उठाते हो, राइट? आप फ्लिक करके उठाते हो. तो competition is कि how many flicks you know, how many flicks I know, and each flick you will get 15 seconds. Okay, if you don't do it, then it's my turn to show next flick. Okay, so are you guys ready for? And you can win a chance if you do all the flicks. Post your video on our pages, both Instagram and the Facebook page, and maybe you can come here next time and play with us. So let's go. Let's finish this before it ends. Okay. So
my turn.
No.
My turn first.
No. We go rock paper scissors first.
Okay.
So rock paper scissors. What is this? So rock paper.
I don't know what this is.
Okay. So let's do the toss. Okay. You have to tell which hand. This one. You lost. My turn. Okay, so it's my flick because I'm going to take the advantage. So this is first one. So you cannot copy my move. Okay. So 1, 2. This is my flick. Your turn now.
Simple.
Same. No, you have 15 seconds. Yes.
This is simple, sir. You did like this.
So this is I did same one. You have to do another one.
So I like this, sir.
Okay. Good.
It's
So
different from you.
okay, so you have to do 2 juggles after that also. My next one. Wait, see, 15 seconds I have to go. 1, 2. This is the next one. Oh my god. Okay. Another one. So I have this 1, 2. And go. Okay. 15 seconds. You have 15 seconds. Let's go. Yes. Come on. 5. Okay. Yes. My turn. 1, 2. Good. 3, 2, 1. Okay, he missed one. He didn't do two jiggers. My turn. My turn. Okay, let's go. Okay. Again. Okay, I'll try another one. So.
Time.
One. Okay, I'll repeat his terms again. Okay. Same. Okay, my turn again. I'll try this one again. No. 1 and 2. Yes, I got it. Done.
No.
Same. Let's go. No. Again.
Finish.
5 seconds. Okay. Your turn over. My turn. Now. Okay. Right. Yes. Last. 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Now I'm coming forward. Any other move?
No, sir.
No. So I won. You're done. Okay. So now I have seen so many moves. So if you can do all, it's good. You can post. And if you have any other move that you can do, or you can combine with, like I know one move. Okay. So there is a Ronaldinho favorite. I think so. He used to go like this: 1, 2, up, and do 1. So I used to do it a lot of time. So if you can do all these moves, you can post, and then definitely you can bring the chance to come here and practice with us. So thank you, Vikram. Thank you for coming, and I hope you're doing great during this time and practicing at home. I think not outside.
मुझे अच्छा लगा कि मेरा पहला एक्सपीरियंस था और ये बहुत अच्छा रहा मेरे लिए सो थैंक यू सो मच सर
Thank you.
थैंक यू
Thank you. So thank you guys. Just to finish it off, and see you next time. We definitely come with something else. As I know कि रोज physical exercise करके बोर हो गए होंगे. So that's why we try to bring something new this week. And next week, just stay tuned. We'll come with something different. Thank you.